It's 5 o'clock in the morning on April the 16th. We've had a tremendous flood in the basement.
We've been up since 2.
Yay!
Good morning.
You have to get all that.
Oh, I gotta get all of this. Here's our clothesline in the kitchen.
I took those couches too.
Here are all our family photographs.
Waffles are in here somewhere.
Slides. We're making waffles. Here's the Ted Devaka's correspondence from the last 30 years. This is Sophie's animation project. Sophie, we're sorry. Okay, this is our hallway. Hi, Uncle Scott.
Jackie, stick the knife, buddy.
We're pulling out the carpet. Yeah, I don't think we need to use the knife that much. We just have to cut it on the grain and then we can rip it out.
It's spongy.
Spongy. Yeah.
Dad, I think the water's pooling here.
Right.
So do you really want to put everything here?
Well,
This television set on up here and put 61 on.
Let's rip that carpet out so we can get the water away from there. We need to get that corner carpet out, I think. Yeah, I'm showing the drain setup and then I'm getting back to work.
You always wondered? I'm David Dye. Join me and
you get a Poland Spring.
Yeah, this is the Poland Spring. See the water's coming up through the foundation right there. Okay. And there we go. I'm a little convinced the water level has actually risen, but we're not going to talk about that. Okay.